to install Ribbon Workbench, just Google Ribbon Workbench initially. Ribbon Workbench Dynamics 365. Open this link. And just click on download. So enter your information over here, give your name, the email to which the downloadable link needs to go to, and select the version of your CRM. Okay. Now the latest version of CRM is the Dynamics 365/Power Apps. So if you have the latest version, just select Dynamics 365/Power Apps. The organization in which I am doing a demo on is actually Dynamics 365/Power Apps. Okay. Then agree to the terms and just click on send download link. Now open the email which you've just received from Ribbon Workbench and just select download the Ribbon Workbench. Once you do, there'll be a zip folder which is downloaded. Okay. So now what you need to do is go back to your CRM environment, go to the solutions and just click on import and import the solution which has just been downloaded. Now your solution is downloaded. Okay, just click on close and just refresh it once. There you go. So if you see this button, Ribbon Workbench 2016, it means that Ribbon Workbench has been successfully installed in your organization. In the next video, we'll look at how to prepare a solution to use in Ribbon Workbench.